Welcome to BLTI, home of BL Technology and BLTI services. Come on inside and see what makes us different from the rest. As we say, always ahead of the curve. Our office is North Houston in Tomball, Texas. We were incorporated in 1974. Our expertise and our longevity will exceed our clients' expectations. We offer integrated solutions for industrial and commercial automation, security, and life safety.
Here we are at the heart of BL Technology, which is our control panel shop. This facility was designed and built exclusively for building the BL Technology products. We're a UL 508A, 698A approved facility. Many of our customers come back over and over again just because of the quality of our products. We maintain a ISO certification of 9001. BLTI provides custom control panels, instrumentation, PLC HMI equipment, programming services, and systems integration SCADA solutions. Custom fabrication, wire tags, vinyl labels, and nameplates are all manufactured in-house. We provide a separate test space for our customers to factory witness test and acceptance test their systems. We offer 2 large conference rooms to hold meetings and client visits. BLTI has over 20 years of experience in securing public and private school facilities, governmental and municipal buildings, along with commercial, industrial, and healthcare facilities through our security and life safety divisions.
BLTI delivers the expertise and resources to get the job done on time, every time. In true Texas style, we have cows. These are our mascots. We hope you enjoyed our tour, and we thank you for joining us. We hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.